Our letter of the day is the letter P. P for pizza. Can we write the word pizza? P-I-Z-Z-A. Pizza. Alright friends, today we are going to be making our pizza using shapes, and of course I have some shapes here. So the first thing you need to do is just get a piece of paper and cut out a circle. You could use a plate or whatever you have at home. Next, you can use whatever you have at home, colored paper. You can use stuff from the newspaper, but I want you to cut out different shapes. So over here, I have some gift paper that I had left over, and I made some rectangles with it to add to my shape pizza. I have some triangles here that I cut out, green triangles too. And I have some red squares. Now you can do as many shapes as you would like, but these are the ones that I'm using right now. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is, of course, we need sauce for our pizza, or tomato sauce. So I'm just going to take my red crayon here and just draw my pizza sauce in there. Make some little squiggly lines and just color them in. Great. Now that I have that, I'm going to take my glue and start gluing my shapes to my pizza. All right, you can stick it wherever you like to have your little shapes around your pizza, okay? And you can put it in any direction you would like. Just have fun with it. So now that I've stuck on all of my rectangular pieces, let's go in with the triangles next. All right, a little dot of glue, and here we go. Right, last little triangle. Right, so now I'm ready for my little squares. And I'm going to, well, I don't think I would use all of my squares, but I'm just going to make it look really cool, right? And I think I'm almost done there with my pizza. It's looking so yummy, right? Pizza recipe. First thing you're going to do is get the ingredients that you are seeing on your screen right now and measure them nicely. You're going to add them to your bowl and start making your dough. Mix all the ingredients together to form a soft dough. Then you're going to roll your pizza dough or toss it. And when you're finished doing that, you're going to add your delicious pizza sauce. Yummy. After that, add all your favorite ingredients on top of your pizza. What ingredients do you like on your pizza? Doesn't that look beautiful? Yummy. Next, you're gonna bake the pizza in the oven. Ooh, our pizza looks yummy, yummy, yummy. And then you're gonna serve it and enjoy. So I hope you enjoy, friends. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next week with lots more amazing videos. Don't forget to subscribe.